Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix MSI laptop not turning on. First, disconnect the AC adapter from the laptop and remove any connected accessories such as USB drives, external hard drives, or docking stations. Now perform an EC reset. To do this, press and hold the power button for about 25 seconds. Keep holding the button for the full duration even if nothing appears to happen. This process helps reset the embedded controller and can resolve certain power-related issues. After that, reconnect the AC adapter to the laptop. Then press the power button again and check if the laptop starts normally. If the laptop power is on but the screen remains black, make sure the display brightness is turned up to 100%. You can adjust the brightness using the laptop's function keys or, if the screen is visible, through the Windows brightness controls. If the display still doesn't appear, try connecting the laptop to an external monitor or TV using HDMI, mini DisplayPort Thunderbolt, or a USB Type-C display output, depending on your laptop model. Once connected, press the Windows key and P at the same time. Then select PC screen only or cycle through the available display modes to see if the image appears on either screen. If the laptop still fails to boot properly, you may need to check the internal hardware. Turn the laptop off completely and disconnect the charger. Then remove the bottom cover of the laptop carefully. Next, locate the RAM modules and SD, remove them, and then firmly reinstall them to make sure they are seated correctly. A loose RAM module or SSD can sometimes prevent the system from starting. After reconnecting the components, reassemble the laptop, reconnect the charger, and try turning it on again. If none of these steps solve a problem and the MSI laptop still won't power on, the issue may be related to the motherboard, battery, power circuitry, or another hardware component. In that case, contact your local MSI service center or a qualified technician for further diagnosis and repair. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.